Hi everyone, today I have a project here. It's probably the last one for this year. So let me just show you what I made. Okay, on my previous video I showed some Peter Rabbit ornaments that I made, and I wanted to also embellish or alter a box to keep those ornaments in. So I had this box in my stash and I thought the colors would match those ornaments, and the box was the perfect size for it. So here we go. So what I did was I cut a piece of felt to the size of the box, the inner part, so like so, and then I cut a piece of velvet, which I got from Moods Designer Fabric Store, and then I attached it here so it would have a nice lining on the bottom. So then I attached this lace trim, which I got from a vintage shop. This is the last of it. No more, sadly. It's such a pretty color. But anyway, then I attached this pearl trim that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I attached these little sprays. I don't know if you could see it. Okay, I got that also from Hobby Lobby. This is what it looks like. I think this color is just so pretty. Okay, so that I cut a few pieces and then I attached them there, and then also I attached those little flowers that you could see that I had in my stash, and I thought they matched nicely. So I just cut 3 little flowers. I gessoed the leaves to kind of make them look antique-y or shabby chic, and just pop them there in that corner. Okay, so as for the outer part of the box, I printed out these images off of Pinterest and fussy cut them and attached them. I actually decoupaged these images here and then placed this rickrack trim that I bought from a vintage store, which is this one here. And then I popped these 2 little embroidered flowers that I got from in my happy birthday mail that I got from Olivia. Hi Olivia, thank you. So those are the images on that side, and as for the other side, I made the same thing, just 2 other images, and also I attached this trim and this tiny rickrack trim that I got the other day from a vintage shop, which is this one right here. And I thought the color looked really cute. And then as for the bottom, I attached this trim that I got from a vintage store as well, which is this one. I only have this much, very little. It says made in Germany, and it's old, you could tell. Yeah, so that, and again those little embroidered flowers on each corner. Okay, alright, so that's the bottom. I mean, that's the box. Now I have a little bit of a story here as for the the lid. Okay, I started off, actually here is the inner part of the lid. I printed off this image on regular copy paper, and once I decoupaged it, the paper wrinkled and it was just a mess. So that was very frustrating. I'm telling you this because I would want for you not to go through what I went through. So learn from my mistakes. So I had to do it all over again. I had actually my husband had told me after I made the mistake. He said, "Oh, I have this paper that doesn't wrinkle, and so you could use it." And I was like, "And now you tell me I could have, all of this could have been avoided." But anyway, this paper is called Tyvek, and you could actually find it online or on your local Staples, or probably Amazon, I don't know. But I know that Staples carries it online only. So anyway, it's a paper that if you decoupage with it, it will not wrinkle. So here's that image printed on that Tyvek paper. Then I attached this trim that I had in my stash, which is this one right here. And then these little daisy flowers on each corner, and that's that. Okay, so here we go as to the front. So here's the front of the lid, and I chose this image also off of Pinterest. I think it's super adorable. I love it. So I decoupaged this image onto the box, and then I attached this trim which I had in my stash. It's this one right here. Okay, then I had this applique that it's actually a fabric from Joann's, so I had to cut all of these branches, I mean leaves, foliage, so that I could attach here. And then I popped this applique here, and this one, and this one, and this little butterfly that I got from Michael's. They're kind of like stickers. I think they're like by the, if I'm not mistaken, they're by the Martha Stewart brand. Yeah. Anyway, so also I had an applique which I attached right here. I had it in my stash, and a little bit right there. And I went around the box with this blue trim that I had in my stash, and on top of it I went with this other trim, same as this one, and also this other little trim that I thought matched everything. So here is what it looks like. That's my box, and so this box, like I mentioned, I made so that I can put these ornaments that I made on my previous video. If you're curious about it, you should go watch the video. I explained how I made these ornaments. So here we go. I love this project. It was just the decoupage part was a little bit frustrating, but you know, now I know you learn by making mistakes. But I think the end product is so cute and adorable. And let me just show you some details. There, okay, and with the ornaments. Okay, I hope I have inspired you. I hope you like my project. Also, I want to say that I am happy with and very, very thankful to all of you who have been very, very supportive of me and my channel, who have subscribed, who are always leaving such lovely comments of encouragement and showing me how much you love my projects, and just very kind and generous people you are. I'm happy with so many blessings that I had this year, and happy to say also that I have now reached 200 subbies. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys. Thank you for all your support and for all your love towards me. I hope this is next year is full of blessings and happiness for you as well, and for all of us. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for everything. Hugs and kisses to everybody. Mwah! Thank you. And until next video, bye bye.